talk about the electronic structures, then this is the Dirac cones. Graphene's electrons behaves as a, but I hope that we don't need to go with that, because it's a, okay, we must have to read first. Zero band gap semiconductor. You know what is a band gap. We must need to know what is the semiconductor first, then we need to go in detail what is the band gap. But for here, you just understand semiconductor. You may know, I mean, the material which are having the very a less conductivity, but, or you can say not having, but some improvement could be done so that it could have a conductivity. So they are 50%, you can say, conductive, or 50% not conductive. But according to our desire, our purpose, we can make them as an insulator, or sometimes we can make them as a conductor. Okay, so semiconductor material are very easily available on this earth. Okay, that's why we are focusing on electronics. Engineers are basically working on over this particular material, and so that every equipment these days are being used by being made by this particular material, semiconductor. So semiconductor is a very vast industry in electronics department. Okay, delocalized pi electrons. These are also from the electronic backgrounds. Just leave it.